To sign in to your school Office 365 account, you will need to open up any modern web browser on any suitable device. In the address bar, type in kingsmead-school.com. At the bottom of the website, where all the buttons are listed, click the orange Office button. This will open up a new tab for Office. If you have another member of your household who has their own Office account, it may try and sign you into theirs. Be wary of this. If you have this, switch to a different account is what you will need to do. Regardless, you will then need to sign in. Sign in using firstname.surname@kingsmead-school.com. So you put in your first name, a dot, then your surname at kingsmead-school.com, like I've done with my example one here. Click Next. The password you use will be the same password that you use to log on to your computer in school. Click Sign In. You may be asked if you wish to stay signed in. This will reduce the number of times you have to put your password in the future. You may choose to do this. And there you are. You are now signed into School Office 365, where you have Outlook, where your school email is, OneDrive, where your files are shared and uploaded, Word, PowerPoint, Teams, etc. Everything should be available here. There will be a separate video which explains how to install Office and the common features of the main apps that we use.